Good morning. It is Thursday, August 17th, 2023, 6:01 a.m. And I am playing on a new strategy, spreading out my wealth a little more, but for the most part, mostly invested in AMZU. As you can see from here, from this right here, I am I have about $850 worth of investment, worth of my money in it. So I'm betting on Amazon going up, but I do have. I'm straddling Apple. I'm straddling Amazon. I'm straddling Bitcoin. I have 2 shares in Citibank. I'm straddling Google. I have 2 shares in Lyft. I'm straddling Microsoft. I got a share in Planet Fitness. Um, I think the Qs are coming down a little more. In fact, I think the Qs are the ones that are leading the charge here. Um, SPXU also 2 shares. I think we're coming down a little more, a little correction. I'm straddling Tesla, and I think Tesla is going to come up now, and I'll get into the analysis soon. But um, yesterday I bought more Tesla long, um, and I have one more share in Uber. Let's go down the line here. Let's go to Tesla real quick because that's what I want to show you. That's, I made a move yesterday based on this. So let's go to the monthly and monthly. So check it out. So basically, we're what this looks like from this month, from April, which has a low of about 150, all the way up to the 299, which is about 300. That's about 150 point move upward. And now we came down halfway to 225. And I think it's possible that we just made the B to C of an ABC up. So, and look, we're up today. So 225. That's a 150 point um, upward move. So we're looking at about 375, which puts me at about, which puts us at about somewhere up here. We're going for the highs. That's what I think. On a monthly, which means, it's going to take some time, maybe to the end of the year. At the end of the year, we'll hit this. We'll go for these highs. That's what it looks like for Tesla. So yesterday, I bought Tesla at 1392. 1392. 9 shares at 1392. I'm a little bit down, but today it'll come up. Today is up. All right. Let's Tesla wrong. There's a share 1388. Yeah, it went down, but it's coming back up. It's coming up today. So that's Tesla. Now let's go back to the Qs. Qs are slightly up today. There was a failure on a monthly here. The low of this is 384.42, and we got into it and closed below it. So what could she be doing here? She's another B to C of an ABC up. That's what I think. That's what I think is gonna happen. So where could she come down to? We're going from. Is this a new high? High 321.17. Yes. This is a big ABC up, actually. Is this a new high? 296.875. Yes. Wow, this is a really big up. Big ABC up. You basically went from 250 to 387. That's 130 something. ABC up 130 something. Probably bounce off of this. 460 for something like that. There's a slight correction so far. I think we correcting, and then she's gonna go back up. That's what I think. Same thing with the spot from from 380 to 460. That's 80 points. So she could come down to like, what is this? The 20 EMA 415. Come down to like 415. And that's the spot. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon needs a little bit of a correction too. Another ABC, B to C. She needs to form the B to C of an ABC up. And we're talking 88 to 143. It's about 60, 50, 55. 55 from this top is about 133. It's basically almost there. What is the 20 EMA? 122. It's mostly up. That's why I have most of my position in AMZU. Apple. B to C of an ABC up. She's, little minor corrections here, and then we go right back up. Same thing here with Tesla, which is why I already said she's coming higher at around 375. If yesterday was the reversal, we're headed to like 375, 375 or so. What is this? 371, 384, somewhere around here. Right around here somewhere. That's Tesla. Let's check out Microsoft. Same thing. B to C of an ABC up. Google. Same thing. B to C of an ABC up. Tesla is the one that's leading the charge in there because it basically already got to the C point. If yesterday was the C point, if yesterday's low was in fact the C point, then it's already going back. It's already going up to go back towards the B point. So that's leading the charge in that sense from a individual stock perspective. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's on support. I have how many shares of BTO and BT? Let's see. I have 1 and 1. Just straddling. That's a long-term investment. Citibank. She's just at lows. This stock. I'm just gonna accumulate this slowly. That's all I'm gonna do. Meta. I don't think. Look at this crazy move upward. This thing needs to come down to like what? Like 200? No, it come down to like, what is this? What is the 20 MA? 230, 250? And then go right back up. Crazy move up. She needs a correction. Planet Fitness. This is also just accumulation, just like Citibank. In fact, let me just move my things around. And then I'm gonna get Meta. It's too expensive. And I think it needs a major correction. All right, let's check it out. Let's go back to it. Where am I? Planet Fitness. That's just accumulation. I believe in their business model. I am a member of Planet Fitness, so I believe in their business model. This is accumulation. I believe in their business model as a writer, and as a driver too. I do, even though there's a battle for profit there in the workers' perspective, but it's a good business. It really is for the gig worker, for somebody who wants a quick couple of bucks. That's a good business model. Lyft, same thing. That's just accumulation at lows. Just accumulate. I hope it doesn't get bought out, but if it does, that'll give it a pop. You know, um, and I hope it just grows organically. I'm just accumulating that. How many shares do I have of that? 2 shares of Lyft. 2 shares of Lyft. 1 share of Uber. Let's go to that's it. Let's put Bitcoin. Let's fix Bitcoin. Put this right here. Okay, so uh, what I plan to do now is just watch these things. Um, I'm not profitable. I'm not that profitable in most of them. In fact, I'm in the red by $43.87, but that could change very quickly. So my intentions are to accumulate little by little as I make more money, just invest more money into them, straddling, and eventually move profit into negative positions to balance out my portfolio, kind of a thing, and it's a lot of fun. I think, I think that's a lot of fun. But again, most of my money is in what I believe is going to be Amazon coming up, Tesla coming up, and most of these stocks really coming up. Um, so yeah, that's my position. Happy trading.